Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and today I'm playing along for the first time with the Iron Crafters YouTube and Instagram hop, and each month we are given an element to use, and this time we could use brads, eyelets or buttons. So I dug out some brads, and I've had these brads for a long time, like most of my stash, and I just thought they went really well with this picture. 100% original, machine washable, and 100% original. And I happened to find as well some really old yellow bicycle tags that I thought would go as well, because that's machine washable, boy, and authentic, only one brand. I also have just some odd bits and pieces of embellishments. It's not going to be very embellishment heavy, this page. Papers I'm using is from Basic Grey, the acid washed Dawson collection. That's what this one is. And I remember when I got this, it was really, really cheap. It was like 10 cents, and I bought a heap of this and several others at the time. And I thought, I'm never going to use it like that. I'm probably going to use it just for the grey border, which the pink version of this I've done just the pink border. But when I saw this, and then I had near it in my stash this paper, I went, well, don't they look like they go together? They don't. They're completely different manufacturers. This dotty one is from Junkets, and it's Collections Papers Cousins collection from, I don't know when, 2005. So yeah, there's, my stash is old, and I don't know, Basic Grey don't put dates on it, so I don't know. But what I'm going to do is use this as it is, and I'm just going to put a strip of this big dot paper in here and down here, and then add a few little embellishments, and that is going to be it. So let's get this page started. okay, there's my layout. I'm not 100% happy with it. I don't know, I couldn't get these embellishments to work, and then the camera went on crooked. Oh well, never mind. It is what it is. Yeah, I've used the brads, which was our requirement, and it's quite a simple page. If you want to see if I could talk, then you'd understand what I'm saying. If you want to see what everyone else has done, check out the playlist below in the description box. If you've liked this layout, give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.